In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated GIFs in GIMP, perfect for beginners who are eager to dive into the world of animation. GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a versatile, powerful, and free software that enables creators to craft stunning images and animations. Let's break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps, ensuring you'll be a GIF-making pro in no time. Start by creating each frame of your animation as a separate layer within GIMP. This foundational step sets up the sequence for your animated GIF. Think of each layer as an individual scene in a flipbook, with the potential for various visual elements representing each part of your animation. Adjusting the visibility of these layers will allow you to orchestrate the movement frame by frame. It's crucial to pay attention to your design at this stage. Ensure that each layer integrates seamlessly with the next for a smooth animation. Once your layers are set up, the next crucial step is to optimize your work specifically for a GIF. Head over to the top menu, click on Filters, select Animation, and then choose Optimize for GIF. This process reduces the file size and ensures that the GIF will play efficiently across different platforms and devices. The optimization step fine-tunes your layers by minimizing redundant information, making your animation run smoothly without compromising quality. This is particularly important if you intend to share your creations online, where file size can have a significant impact on loading times. Now, it's time to see your creation in motion. Navigate again to Filters, select Animation, and click on Playback. This feature allows you to preview your animated sequence directly within GIMP. Watching the animation play out in real time helps you identify any adjustments needed. Whether it's tweaking the timing between frames or refining the transition from one scene to another, this playback feature is instrumental in polishing your animation. Take the time to review your work carefully, ensuring that every element aligns with your creative vision. Finally, bring your animated GIF to life by exporting it. Head to File, select Export As, and ensure you choose GIF as your file type. When the export dialog opens, make sure to enable the animation option. This setting is vital because it tells GIMP to compile your layers as frames in an animated sequence. Additionally, the export dialog offers options to loop the GIF forever and to adjust the delay between frames, granting you flexibility in perfecting how your final animation behaves. And that's it. Following these steps will lead you to successfully create a lively animated GIF, all done within GIMP. Don't hesitate to experiment with different frame timings and styles to add your unique touch. With practice, your skills in crafting engaging and captivating animations will blossom, opening up tons of creative possibilities. Keep playing around with the tools and settings GIMP has to offer, and soon enough, you'll be producing GIFs that can amaze and delight.